artificial intelligence is used in the film industry. Ever watched a movie written by artificial intelligence and animated by a deep learning algorithm? But the reality is that AI has already been integrated into many aspects of the film industry to predict the success of movies, write scripts, design graphics, select the cast, and even promote film projects. Let's see how AI may be used at different stages of the movie-making process. Writing scripts. Choosing the script that will gain impact and generate revenues is important. Using AI to create new scripts may help filmmakers deal with this task more efficiently. Being fed with large amounts of data in the form of movie scripts, machine learning algorithms analyze the data, learn from them, and come up with unique scripts. Selecting actors. AI solutions can also speed up casting actors by automatically performing auditions according to the specified criteria and textual image descriptions. AI platforms look for actors in the database. Predicting the success of a film. AI may also be used to analyze a film script so as to predict the revenues the film is likely to earn. Though algorithmic predictions may not always prove to be completely accurate, they're already attracting growing interest from major film studios. Editing movies. Movie editors can leverage artificial intelligence to create trailers for films. AI systems can identify high-action and emotional movie scenes and bring them out to help editors make enticing trailers. Promoting movies. Film studios have been using AI for effective advertising and promotion. Analyzing different factors such as audience base, actors' popularity across the globe, film studios may plan their campaigns according to certain locations where they expect the highest interest from the audience.